Good morning, everyone. Prohibitory orders issued in view of various examinations being conducted by Haryana Board of School Education. District Magistrate Munish Sharma, the board will conduct secondary, senior secondary and DLED examinations from 27 February to 29 March. District Magistrate Munish Sharma have issued prohibitory orders using the powers confirmed under Section 163 of the Indian Civil Security Code 2023 in view of various examinations being conducted by the Haryana Board of School Education from 27 February to 29 March 2025. The board will conduct examinations for the first and second year of secondary, senior secondary and diploma in elementary education. Those orders have been issued with a view to conduct these examinations peacefully and without cheating. Under the order issued by the district magistrate, gathering of 5 and more persons within 100 meters of the examination centers located in district Charkhi Dadri, carrying weapons and explosives such as sword, gandasa, lathi, spear, axe, jelly, knife and other weapons has been banned, and instructions have been given to close the photocopy shop, duplicating facilities, cyber cafe and transmitting activities located in this radius during the examination period till 29 March 2025. However, this order will be not applied to the police and employees deployed on duty. Action will be taken against the person who disobeys these orders under Section 23 of the Indian Justice Code 2023 and under related laws and rules. In view of increasing cyber financial fraud, the general public will have to remain aware, Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that in view of increasing cases of cyber financial fraud in the era of social media, the general public needs to be alert themselves, as well as it is important to make family and friends aware. In such a situation, appealing to the citizens, he said that can contact the helpline number 1930 run by the Union Home Ministry to give immediate information without being lax. In such cases, Deputy Commissioner said that due to the increasing craze of online shopping among the people for the last few years, people often fall prey to bumper discounts, lottery and prize advertisements on social media. In such a situation, first make sure whether the website being used is safe and not. He said that if possible, try to choose the cash on delivery option while ordering goods from online sites so that your bank and card details do not fall into the hands of cyber criminals. Munish Sharma said that if for any reason any kind of cyber fraud happens with you, then first of all dial the helpline number 1930 and registered your complaint on the cybercrime reporting portal. He said that earlier the facility of 155260 helpline was provided for information about cyber fraud, but now the Union Home Ministry has issued 1930 helpline number is place of the above number. Deputy Commissioner said that to report a crime like cyber fraud, going to the police station and getting an FIR registered in the traditional way and getting the investigated is a long process. In such a situation, the helpline option is the best medium for immediate action. He said that the sooner such cases are reported, the better, so that the victim can be provided immediate assistance to prevent further transactions. He said that the victim can also register his complaint on the cybercrime website www.cybercrime.gov.in. Officers should settle complaints of Samadhan camp as soon as possible. SDM Ashish Sangwan. Pending complaints should be settled immediately by the concerned department. SDM Ashish Sangwan, while listening to the complaints of citizens in the Samadhan camp, gave strict instruction to the officers present on the spot of the concerned departments and said that these complaints should be settled as soon as possible. While reviewing the pending complaints of these camps, he instructed the concerned officer to settle the pending complaints immediately. Ashish Sangwan was listening to the complaints in the Samadhan camps along with the Nagar Adhikari Jitendra Kumar in the local mini secretariat auditorium. He said that the pending complaints related to the concerned departments of the Samadhan camp should be resolved immediately and its report should also be sent to the district administrations. While giving instructions to the municipal corporation officials, he said that they should ensure cleanliness in the city. He said that the concerned department should also take necessary action on the news published in various newspapers related to the public interest and also ensure sending its report in the Samadhan camp along with the listening to the complaints of the citizen. The district administration also reviews the news related public interest published in the newspaper. In the Samadhan camp, complaints were received for pension, correction in land records, reducing the annual income recorded in the family identity card, correcting the name recorded in the Aadhaar card and other works. He especially listened to the problems related to the family identity card and instructed the concerned officials to the physical verification related to the income and then verify the income within the stipulated time period so that no eligible and needy person is deprived of the benefits of the public welfare schemes of the state government due to higher income. So in the family identity card officer and employees of all the concerned departments were also present on this occasion. Illegal construction will not be allowed to flourish in the urban controlled area. Deputy Commissioner Monish Sharma. Action taken by DPT related to the illegal construction in the controlled area, one shop sealed. Deputy Commissioner Monish Sharma said that illegal construction will not be allowed to flourish under any circumstances and the urban controlled area. He also appealed to the general public to cooperate with the administration by keeping this in mind, and the general public should buy plots in illegal colonies by getting lured by property dealers and should not do any kind of construction in the prohibited strip of scheduled roads and bypass and ensure to take permission from the department before doing any construction in the controlled area, and departmental action will be taken against the illegal builders as per rules. He said that district guidelines have been issued to the concerned officials in this regard so that illegal constructions can be covered. Today, as the instructions of the Deputy Commissioner, the team of the district, the town planner take action against the illegal constructions and shield the constructions of any illegal shop on Charkhi Dadri Bhiwani Road in revenue area Charkhi. On this occasion, the district town planner said that for any kind of construction work in the controlled area and any other information, one can contact the district town planner officer Charkhi Dadri on any working day. On this occasion, duty magistrate Shyam Sundar Senior, wrestling coach Vijender Singh and officials of the department were present. So friend, take care and see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye. See ya. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.